Selling Printables and why it is a good passive income. Hi, Kerry here from Dream Creative Beat, and welcome to my channel where we show you how to make money online with KDP, low content books and Etsy with new training every week. So be sure to hit the big red subscribe button down below. Why sell printables? Because it's a good passive income, because all you need to do is create the product once, upload it, put a buy button down, drive some traffic to it, then people click the button to buy it and then download it. So you don't need any inventory. You can set your own prices. You can also use PLR, which you can change or not change if, say, it's some coloring pages that you've purchased, and you're not at risk of getting KDP account shut down because you can put up duplicate content on your own shop or store. So the reason why I'm doing this video is because a brand new course launched today called Printable Ecom Academy by Becky Beach and Narinjin Pandaram, and it launched on the 6th of May 2021 at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and the launch period ends on the 9th of May 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And during that launch period, the price is $47. Yes, it will go up. I'm not sure of the price that it will go up, but this course has been on Teachable for $497 before that, so you're getting it for $47. There is also 2 upsells and 2 downsells, and if you want to get this with my bonuses, click the link down in the description. First and foremost, on the sales page it says Becky did $7,000 in pure profits in 30 days selling simple printables from her ecom store. Now, before we go on, Becky Beach and Narinjin Pandaram are well known in the low content niche. Becky sells both PLR content for people to actually use and create and sell on their own stores, and she also sells her own personal store, and she also does KDP low content books. Now, Narinjin, he creates coloring pages, or his artists that he hires creates coloring pages and coloring images that you can actually use in KDP books, and he's also got his own KDP low content books out there as well. So they both actually are heavily involved in this industry and know what they are doing. So this is the training course. This is Narinjin. He talks about what it's all about, and then you go into it, and then you meet Becky, who talks about how to set everything up. Now, this is all about Shopify. So there are costs to actually running this business, because you have to pay for Shopify and you have to pay for some different apps, and I will go through those as we're going along. But inside this training, which is for $47, there's quite a number of modules. I've been through them all. She talks about doing your research using different sites like Etsy, Teachers Pay Teachers, Amazon Handmade, and Pinterest, and she goes through what you're looking for. She also looks on Facebook. She talks about the importance of a niche and deciding your niche and branding yourself and coming up with your name and your domain name, and also your branding colors, and that you make sure that you use all those branding colors throughout your site and throughout any of your advertising. She also talks about your logo and your favicon, how to set up your payments. She talks about shipping, because the whole point about doing this is you don't actually need to ship anything out to anybody. So you're not relying on postal services, you're not relying on drop shipping or anything like that. Because it is a digital download, it gets sent straight away. Another great thing about this is you actually get your customers' emails as well, so you can keep sending them things about different products that are coming out. Also, you can actually be setting up and selling not just printables, you can also set up so that you can sell hardback books and spiral bound books as well. But that is not covered in this particular training. It's just something extra you can add on. She also talks about the importance of setting up taxes and that, and I would suggest that you speak to a CPA or a bookkeeper or an accountant in your region. I do know that there is an app that connects up. I think it's called Tax Jar, which you can know, because there is a digital tax in the UK and in Europe. I do think it's on hold at the moment, and I also think you need to be earning over a certain amount of money before it actually takes place. And then she talks about picking a theme, editing the header, editing your menus. Then she talks about the different apps. Now here, 2 of the apps are paid for. This one here, Lux Reviews, because it's important for people to see reviews, and Sell Up. Now Sell Up, is an app that allows you to sell more than one product in like a funnel. So you have your first product, and then why not purchase this, why not purchase that goes with it. So if you're selling like a digital planner, you can then sell digital stickers that go with it. Or say you're selling a coloring book and you want to sell some mazes or some crosswords or anything like that. And the digital download is actually how you deliver your product. That one is free. The other two are $9.99 each month. Now, I'm not sure if there's the 14-day trial with that you get with Shopify. And Shopify as well is about $30 a month as well. Then she talks about PLR. PLR is private label rights. So they are products that you can use, got commercial rights to use those products. As long as you change them, do something different to them, you can sell them. In fact, some of the PLR creators allow you to sell as is, but most of them require that you change something with it. And then she talks about how to customize and brand your PLR. Then she talks about getting it ready for listing on Canva, shows you how to use all the different things on Canva and to make your images and pages look nice. Now, she makes it look simple because she is a graphic designer by trade and a web designer. But also the great thing is she shows you how to remove things in CSS, how to remove the shipping information, and she gives you the code for that as well. So she makes it nice and simple for you to do. Now, there are 2 OTOs. Now, these are the 2 OTOs. And there are 2 downsells. Now, the first OTO is this all done for you printables. There's 50 of them, and this is for $67. But because each one of these you could cross-use them, cross-niche them, put them in different things, you're getting about 250 products in total for that. And it'll get you going and get you straight away so you can be getting ready to do some selling and actually making money. Now, there is a downsell to this, and that's for $47, and you only get 25 of these. I'm not sure which ones actually get removed. Let me have a look and see if it says no. But it's $47 for the 25. And then the next OTO is Ecom traffic. This is $47. This is how to go about getting traffic to your site, which is the #1 thing you need to know. She talks about using coupons, how to actually use an autoresponder like MailerLite, because it's free for up to 1,000 users. Only thing with it is you should not be doing any affiliate sales, but you can be selling your own products when you use it. She then talks about Pinterest. Now, Becky is well known for her Pinterest. She knows how to actually use Pinterest and how to actually drive traffic from Pinterest to either her store or to her blog or to her Etsy store. So she knows what she's doing. She's got quite a lot of followers on her account, and she shows you her account. She goes into details with that. And then there's the Shopify storefront templates and Pinterest Canva templates. So if you want to get a hold of this, click the link down in the description. Also, the downsell for this is $37, and what happens is those 2 get removed. So you get the information about actually driving traffic there. So all that's very good, and I'm going to show you my bonuses if you purchase through my link, which will be down in the description. First bonus is calendars 2021 to 2022. They come in 2 sets, 2 sizes of 8.5 by 6 by 9. There's some 24-month calendars there. There's some daily diaries as well. They all come in PowerPoints, and you can use them in Google Slide or Keynote. I would suggest, if you're doing printables, only to use the 8.5 one. The other, I would suggest 6 by 9, probably using for KDP, changing it up, of course. Then I've done a checklist on creating printables, and it's all linked with what Becky teaches in this course. So you can be using it once you start getting the hang of what she's done, and you've watched the videos, you've done the training, have the checklist next to you and work through that. And again, if you purchase through my link, I'm also giving a 20-minute one-to-one Skype or Zoom call where you can ask me different questions. All I ask is that you actually decide on what the questions are beforehand, so I can actually prepare, and then I can be giving you the correct answers and helping you out getting some sales and things like that for you. So that is the different bonuses that I'll be giving. This is the sales page, and like she did 7,000 in pure profit in 30 days of her selling, and that's because she's does great work, and because she's also really good at Pinterest, which she's sharing in her training course. So it's simple downloadable printables as semi-passive multiple 4-figure a month business for us. So both of them I do know do very well with doing low content business or printables or KDP books, and that's some of their images from their sales. It makes a comfortable living. And because it's Shopify, everything's easy there. The platform's built, it's built for actually selling on. So that's the whole point. If you're not interested in doing it with Shopify, then this won't be the training for you. Maybe the upsell, which is talking about traffic, might be, but the bulk of it is about Shopify. The con to this training is you do have to pay for some of the apps, the add-ons, which makes probably running this, instead of $30, it probably makes it $50 a month to run. But running a business for $50 is quite cheap if that's what you want to do. As far as the training goes, I'm going to give it a 9 out of 10 purely because of the cost of running it on Shopify, not against the course. Becky's training is fantastic, and I've also got some of her previous trainings with Pinterest, so I do know, like, and trust her. Same with Naringin. Do know, like, and trust him as well for his training and for his different courses, for his different software as well that he's got and his other products. So again, give it a 9 out of 10. Link will be down in the description. Don't forget there are some of my bonuses there. If you've got any questions or anything, don't forget to leave them in the comments. Don't forget to hit the like button. And if you want to subscribe, the little bee above my head, don't forget to subscribe on that. And if you want to check out Naringin's other products, check out Instant Puzzles and Word Search Puzzles as well.